So we're going to create what's called a spirolateral. So what you need to do is you need to start first by getting a sequence that you're going to use, and I want you to use an arithmetic sequence. So remember, arithmetic sequence means you're adding the same number over and over again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pick a starting number. So I'm going to pick, oh, let's say 4 as my starting number. And then I think I'm going to add my common difference of plus 2. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to do that for a while. So I keep on adding 2. This is arbitrary. You get to pick something. You're going to do a couple of these, so just, be creative, pick different things. Maybe you want to add a negative number instead, see what happens. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. Okay, so at some point you're just going to stop, and you might have to add on to it, but maybe not. We'll see what happens. Now what you need to do is if your number is a single digit, write it again. So 4, 6, 8, those are all single digits. I can just write them. But now that I have a 2-digit number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add the digits together. So 1 plus 0, that's just 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now I'm going to keep on doing this until I get my next number, my number to start over with my pattern. And you'll see that the pattern just keeps going. So 2 plus 2, that's 4. So all of a sudden I see that I have a 4. Let's see if it continues. So if it continues, I've got 6, 8, 1. So let's check it out. 2 plus 4 is 6. There you go. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So we see that we're just going to keep on going in this pattern. So once I have this repetition, I can be sure that it's just going to kind of continue on. So I have this set of sequence here, and then it stops and it starts over again, and it's going to keep doing that. And that's going to be important for what we're doing next. So I'm going to draw a spirolateral. Now when I first started drawing this one, I actually ran out of room. So you're going to want to kind of maybe have something around, have more than one piece of paper so that you can, do it again if you run out of room. So I'm trying to look at it now. I have it off to the side here and see where I should start this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the first number, and that's how many blocks I need to draw my line. So I'm going to draw my line. I'll just go right here and I'm scared. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I drew my line 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn right every time. I'm going to turn right and I'm going to draw the next number. It's pretty simple actually. So now my next number is going to be 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then my next number is 8. So I got to turn right and go 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I turn right and I go 1. And then turn right and go 3. And then 5. And then what's my next number? 7. Okay, my next number is 9. I'll recount that just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, got to turn right, and I'm going to go 2. Turn right, and I'm going to go 4. Keep on going. So I'm just going to, now I'm starting over, so now I go 6 again. Turn right and go 8. Turn right and go 1. What's next? 3 is after 1. 5. 7. 9. And then what's after 9? 2. So I go back to 2. And then we start with 4 again. I'm going to keep on doing this until I go back to my starting place, which I'm told is what's going to happen. So 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 2. Okay, let's see if I get back to my starting place now. All right, so I go 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And 2. And there we go. This was my starting place. And so there is my spirolateral for my arithmetic sequence starting with 4. So a sub 1 is 4, right? I've got, what do I have, n minus 1, and my common difference was 2. So there it is, uh, my spirolateral. And then, be creative. Color this out. What does this look like? Could you do a creative coloring here? Try another one. See what you can get. The different things that you can get. I have examples in the Google slide of other ones and what you can do with this. But that was kind of fun. So see what you can come up with.